जाणीव एकच आहे. मी असण्याची जाणीव जाणवण्याच्या आधी माझे जे असणे आहे ते जाणीव निर्णय केला आहे. ते जाणीवीचं साक्षीत्व त्याला घडते आहे आणि जाणीव नंतर जगाचं साक्षीत्व करते आहे.
Your mind is meant for to deal with the world and to sustain your body in this world. But to understand the absolute, you have to shut off the mind and the logic which follows the mind. Logic is limited, is truncated knowledge. Science and everything pertains to mind and downwards.
Yes.
Mind and downwards. That is not useful there at all. Because the ultimate is so subtle that it cannot be reached by your limited mind or your intellect or anything, even your best scientific instruments. It is continually changing. This is also continually changing.
Yes.
You are continually changing. So there you are not real. Mithya. What I see you now, like a mirage, a moment back. When I come, you are different. You understand? That is mind and this thing, this happen here. In reality, there is no change. Because that black hole.
याचा अर्थ नव्हे. जाणीव राहणे न राहणे हे पण याचा अर्थ नव्हे. जाणीव जाणवते आहे ते फक्त पाहणे. जाणीव जाणवते आहे त्याचा अनुभव घेणे. होणे ना लगे. अजून व्यक्तीचा स्कूप काढून टाकलाच नाही. व्यक्तीचा स्कूप घट्ट आहे. स्कूप गेला पाहिजे. व्यक्ती आहे कल्पनेचा स्कूप फेकला गेला पाहिजे.
80 or so, black hole was discovered. So I had read in English paper, but Maharaj used to read Marathi. So it is called Krishna Vivar, the black hole. So I read that. Maharaj, you know this meaning of this? He said, what is it? I said, it's a black hole. Everything collapses and goes into a point where the intensity of gravitational force is immense. So that is the state. That is the state. That is the state you have to. That means whatever your attention goes out, collect it in and abide in the being. Full force.
अशा स्वतःची इच्छा स्वतःचे प्रेम हे उघड झाले पाहिजे. तू देहाला धरून बाहेरच्या विषयावर आशा इच्छा वाचना मागतोय. तुझी आशा कर, तुझी इच्छा कर. मग वांछित आहे तुझी वासना काय आहे? आपण पाहिजे मी हयात पाहिजे.
Soğan Hansa.
Some say so that
Yeah.
So our Maharaj said, Soham Hamsaha. Soham Hamsaha. He was like this. Saham. I am that I am. So Ham. So means you. Am. Saha. I am you. So Ham. You are me. And me you are. When you are in zero mind, then you are in consciousness, the self. Self is consciousness. The ray of the absolute in each person. That consciousness. Its consciousness functions to this.
Beingness together with the manifest world or the beingness, both will disappear. And this is being observed by that ultimate principle.
The ray of the absolute is also in this. Understand? The ray of the absolute is in everything, because everything is made of the absolute.
Like
तुला
personality.
कशाने बनवलाय?
हा ते
आणि कल्पना सगळे सगळं फुगे आमच्या कल्पना त्याला रूप नाही ही पण कल्पना पुन्हा आलं ही कल्पना कल्पना.
So he said that you were going whilst walking.
Just sit. Absolutely nothingness. And nothingness itself is the ultimate. So in the absolute, you depend on nobody. It is pure because there is no body.
There's nobody. Nobody.
You can say 1977 it regularly started this talks. Morning, evening, no Sunday. And in my own house, here also.
Yep.
And when first I brought him here to show my house, I showed him my dear gods, we are all deities. And he said, very nice, but you don't think tomorrow you collect them and put them into sea. Put them into sea, because the purpose of for which you are coming to me is not to hang on to the deities outside, but to deity you. Forget me. Don't make a deity of me and try photos and do puja for me. Forget my teachings, you see, to the extent of this. Forget my teachings. You follow what is the thing to be followed. Sit quietly and just watch the mind, thoughts. Don't quarrel or judge, nothing. Slowly the thoughts subside and you go into sort of stillness. That alert stillness is the linking with the absolute.
This waking state is observed by that very principle. I am now. Waking state. And with the waking state, all this world is manifest because of my beingness. My world is manifest. That also is observed by that state, which is prior to beingness.
Forget me, forget my teachings, but abide in your own being, and the absolute will give you the right directions. Your true guru is when you are shed of everything, that the ray of the absolute.
In your understanding of Maharaja's work, what is the real core for you of Maharaja's work? The essence?
The essence of it, you see, he was, I am that.
Yes.
That his essence of it was that every human being is fundamentally the soul.
Yes.
The impersonal consciousness
Yes.
identified with each body-mind organism
Yes.
as a separate entity, which is the ego.
Yes.
So basically, every ego is fundamentally the soul,
Yes.
which is the impersonal consciousness.
Yes.
Or you could call it whatever you like.
Mm-hmm.
Primal energy,
Yes.
impersonal consciousness, awareness, whatever it is, that has identified itself with each body, mind, organism and a name,
Yes.
name and form,
Yes.
as a separate entity, as the ego.
Mm-hmm.
That was his focal point.
Yes. Now, when he would make a statement, for example, he seemed to have stages. Sometimes he would say, hold on to the I am and let go of everything else, or hold on to your beingness, or stay in the beingness. How did you understand that?
Staying in the beingness
Yes.
would only mean not to get involved in your personal identity.
Yes.
That is the point.
Right.
But you see, that is what Maharaj's point.
Yes.
You are that.
Mm-hmm.
So I heard him all that. My own problem was, all right, I accept. I am the source. Fundamentally, I am the source.
Yes.
You are the source. He is the source and she is the source. My problem was, which I had to deal with myself.
Yes.
My problem was knowing that I am the source and you are the source. How do I live my life and be happy?
Yes.
That was my perspective, which was not Nisargadatta's perspective.
No.
मी आहे माझ्या ध्यानात नसताना मला कसला भ्रम नव्हता. कबूल आहे की नाही? तुम्ही ध्यानात तुम्ही येण्याच्या म्हणजे मला भ्रम होता का?
So there was the general teaching. I'm trying to repeat it back so make sure that I understand for everybody. So there was the general teaching like don't identify, stay in the beingness,
Yes,
and all of that,
yes,
which was a general teaching for everybody.
yes.
But he never, I mean, I remember,
You
he
remember?
never, ever spoke about like how to live your life. And that was not almost of not interest.
विहाराचं म्हणजे हे
व्यवहार माझ्याकडे
don't ask me a practical question. No, it is not conveyed to him fully.
ह्याच्या जातीचे आहेत ते देहाच्या जातीचे आहेत मी देहाच्या जातीवर बोलत मागत असू वाटल्या बसायला जा
साधनेबद्दल म्हणतोय
हा?
तर.
साधन नाही साधन नाही तसं आहे तसं विना विचार राहा
Don't ask me practical
शब्दाचा
things.
उपयोग करू नको
Do you feel
Many of your questions vanish once you put your identity in the consciousness, whether you are doing this, whether you are doing that, whether you are the doer, whether you have the free will, what will happen tomorrow, what has happened yesterday, all this stops once you just shift your identity from the body mind to the consciousness. Once you are not the body mind and in the consciousness, then where is the doership comes at all? Doership comes only when you take hold of your body or mind as yourself. That is the working, the intellect and everything is working. But that is not the thing. You don't put your identity on that, you put your identity on the consciousness. Then where is the question of working itself comes? It is just awareness that is aware of everything. And he also used to say, whenever you come up, you keep the shoes and chappals downstairs. Keep your intellect also downstairs and come. Nothing, there is no work for intellect here. No, intellect cannot, I mean, this is what we are talking is where intellect cannot reach. It is prior to intelligence. And everything is illusion, don't worry about anything. Happening is happening. What to whom it is happening? That is the question. The happening is for the body, mind and other things that is happening. But you are not that. You are not in the happening state. That is happening. What you are asking is the happening. Happening is to whom appa aata hai. That is only for the body, mind, intellect and the picture. That is happening. But from where the picture starts? How the picture starts? Maharaj always used to say, where science stops, that Vijnan, he used to call the Vijnan state. Actually Vijnan, usually many Indians confuse with science. Science they call it Vijnan. But when Maharaj says Vijnan, it is prior to Jnana and Ajnan. Jnana is knowledge and Ajnan is ignorance. Prior to both the duality is the state Vijnan. He says when science ends, this Vijnan state is there. That science has nothing to do with that. You cannot, there is no question of logical thinking or logically doing something is not there. Everything comes later. See, your intelligence, your science, your everything comes later after the consciousness stirs. So whatever happens after the consciousness stirs, it is, you can just ignore it. It is anyhow, it is going to be thrown out as a dust in the dustbin, or it is not not good. I mean, there is no point in just finding out whether it is good or bad or what is happening. It is anyhow, it has to be thrown out. He will never, I mean, miss his bhajan or something. He had fever, then also he will take bath and come up and do the morning puja for his guru and do everything. But he says, I mean, some may ask, I mean, you say that there is no guru, nothing, why you are doing? This is also just a thing of happening. The consciousness is worshipping the consciousness. It is the thing. That is where the worshipper and the worshipped are the same. It is not that you are different. When you pray or when you do the puja or something, the only thing is Ananya Bhakti. That is, you and me are the same. It is not the same, is this cup and this cup are the same cup, not like that. It is the same thing. It is, I mean, they are equal or something. It is not like that. They are the one. The one is that is happening. Of course, Maharaj used to have a lot of devotion and unless devotion is, for me, I mean, devotion is the first and foremost thing. You should have faith and devotion. Then jnana comes automatically. At the end, the both are the same. It is you and me are the same. There is no I am that. You are telling the same thing. I am that. You and me are the same. There is no difference at all. That is the Navavita Bhakti, they call it. Na? That is the last Bhakti, is the Ananya Bhakti. It is the Sakha, that is your friendship, and that other one is, there is no difference at all. And Maharaj never left any, usually all the festival days, he never missed even one festival day to go to his Guru's Samadhi and pray. He always used to say. And those days it used to be very hot, and that place was very difficult, I mean, with stones and piercing. Then also he used to go, I mean, then also you can feel that he is doing the puja and he is not the body. See, when he is saying you are not the body of the mind, Maharaj can never be the body of the mind. Okay. He is not even the consciousness, he is even prior to the consciousness. He always used to say, I am not talking to you, it is only to the consciousness. You feel that you have come here on your own? No, the consciousness has brought you here, brought this body here. What we have to find out is how the consciousness and how it stirs and how it happens. That is the stirring of the consciousness is the, what we can say is the sharana or the movement. That gives you the realization how fictitious it is, how why it shows. I mean, it is just a happening like the TV program is happening, it is happening. So you have to go to the source. That is the Pada Darshanam or the stirring of the consciousness. That is the feet. And he knows how it stirs. That's why he always used to put, I mean, emphasize on, yeah, it is the TV show, I mean, the film also, what you see, many films are taken and then you run it very fast and you feel the continuity. It is not so. Many are taken in very various different times and then it is fast broken. So once you have the very, very slow motion, you can see that. Very, very slow motion if you want to have, you have to stay put there. He always used to say, at the conceiving state, at that point, the whole picture is put there. The whole film is there. That film just develops and then it comes in front of you and that is what is happening. Nothing can be done. It is programmed in the conceiving state. The only thing one can understand is you are not in the program. You are not that. The programming is done and the film show is going on and you are not in the film show. Don't identify yourself with the film show. Practice is to stay put in the consciousness. The only thing one has to do is stay put in the consciousness and to be there only for in that, so that you can understand much better how this film show is coming about. Even the morning comes also, it is only the film show of the consciousness has come. It has come on that. You are not getting up. That show, in that show, that getting up is happening.
When Maharaj was talking, he used to slowly go from body, mind to consciousness like that. And suppose he is talking on consciousness, then if somebody asks anything about body, he said, no, don't ask that. That is over. So now talk only about consciousness. So like that, so what was the topic going on, according to that, he never entertained this worldly matters. No, he didn't like it.
मरायला पाहिजे तुला म्हणजे तुला तुझे हे नसणे होणार मरायला पाहिजे तुला म्हणजे तुला तुझे असणे काय ते बघून घे हे नसणे होणार असणे काय ते बघून घे माझ्या खड्ड्यात या वाक्यात राईट नाउ अंडरस्टँड या वाक्याच्या अर्थ एक गहरे जन्म चाकू खाता.
He always used to say, stay at the root. Find out the root. What is your root?
Be at the source.
त्यात आमच्या शब्दाप्रमाणे ऐकून राहायचं. वासना तुमच्या देहाच्या ओळखीची आहे. ही वासना स्वतःबद्दल पाहिजे. वासना स्वतः करता, स्वतः करता इच्छा, स्वतः करता आशा, स्वतःची आशा स्वतः करता पाहिजे. पण विजयी आहे त्याला आकार नाही आहे. त्या आकार नाही त्याची ओळख झाली पाहिजे म्हणजे आत्मज्ञान झालं पाहिजे.
Once he asked me, forget your name, forget your achievements or degrees, whatever it is, and tell me few words about you. I kept quiet. What can I say? That is the answer, he said. I am not a woman. I am not a man. Neither the saint nor a godman. I am not the body. I am not the mind. I am not a person of any kind. Neither the self nor the soul, but much, much deeper than the black hole. I am nothing. I am nothing, but I am everything. Because everything is nothing and nothing is everything.
Nice.
That's what he said. I like the most that he says, no, everything happens. Doer is imaginary. Doer is imaginary, everything happens. That I like the most.
अतिशयोक्ती वाटायची मला. प्रपंच परमार्थ दोन्ही ठरतात, ठरतेवर यांचे होणार आणि मी केलं असं वाटणार.
I'm like this, I'm like that. So if you are forget your me, then you are in heaven. And if you remember me, that is the hell. Forget me, forget my knowledge. So I took the meaning like this. Forget your me, his me, her me. That me you have to forget. Me and mine. That is the main point. Not forget Maharaj, but forget me. In everybody that is me is there, no? That me you have to forget.
Well, I'm not a person.
Yeah.
You're not a person.
That we can't digest.
Slowly.
Yeah. It will happen. His grace is there, it is flowing, but we have to make fit. We have to make ourselves fit for that.
तुझ्यावर चाललायचो काय तू आधी हटत नाही. देहाच्या ओळखीचा प्रयोग तुझ्या राहायचो गेला पाहिजे.
That is why he said, because of the very basic question that you expect something to move forward.
Once I asked him, Maharaj, give me realization.
Yeah?
Now I am laughing at it. But I asked, Maharaj, give me realization. Are you ready to die?
Maharaj himself, many a times he has said that I am dead and alive.
त्या आकाराची ओळख राहिली काय नाही गेली काय त्याच्यावर परिणाम होतो.
After the individual dies, what remains is the absolute.
Mentally I got it. But inside I have to drink it daily.
And as you drink it daily,
Yeah,
from
yeah.
moment to moment, what happened?
That I can't say.
No.
That is the experience, so I can't give words to it.
No words.
No.
निरर्थकता तुमच्या कल्पनेची होते. कल्पना निरर्थक आहे. आता आकाशी ज्याच्या पापडीचा प्रकाश आहे. पापडी उघडल्यानंतर आकाश निर्माण होते. मग तो कसा आहे? ब्रह्मांड प्रलयाने ज्याला स्पर्श केला नाही तो आया.
Navanatha Sampradaya is or mind, but with the consciousness. So that is the first part. Once you stabilize, once you give up the body identity, stabilize in the consciousness, meditate there, then you will see that you are not even the consciousness, but you are beyond it. You are the witness of the consciousness, and that is the absolute. The Maharaj, when he said what he considered himself to be was not body, not consciousness, but that absolute principle because of which everything is. Yeah, it's like that.
So when you say Maharaj,
I mean that absolute principle. Yeah, I mean the absolute principle.
I also mean the same.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Maharaj used to ask, do you think this is Maharaj? Do you call this as Maharaj? No, this is not Maharaj. This is Maharaja's body. And Maharaj is there. That means that principle. And I speak from there only.
Yeah, yeah. From the absolute. Yeah.
So insignificant. The space is a product or an outcome, or it depends on Maharaj principle. On that ultimate Maharaj principle, the space depends.
On the Maharaj principle. His own principle.
Ultimate principle is that Maharaj principle.
Maharaj says that the guru and disciple relation is such that whatever firm faith the disciple has about his guru, the same he will experience himself. If a disciple wrongly identifies his guru as the body, then he will remain at the body level only. But if he thinks that he is the consciousness, he will experience that himself. If he is the absolute principle, then that same. So like that. So Maharaj used to say, whatever you consider me to be, you will experience it yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, that way.
ज्ञानी नाही ज्ञान पण नाही ज्ञान आहे ते अन्नाचं सत्व आहे ही गोड आहे साखरेचा पाच आहे तो.
And he used to call this as chemical. This is chemical. He used that word, chemical, and all that is happening, mechanical.
त्याचं हे पण मला फार आवडतं, पण हे मी आहे का नाही सत्वाचा गुण आहे तो.
Just as I like sweetness, similarly
त्याला नाव ठेवलं मूल, मग झालं बापया.
He used to say that I am alive after my death. That's what his word. I am alive after my death. Now this death is the wrong identity according to me. What I understand by it, whatever we normally consider a human being to be, if that identity dies, then what remains is the absolute. So in case of Maharaj, he understood that what he considered himself to be in the initial stage of his life, he was not that. So that identity came to an end. That was the death of that identity, that body mind.
Death of the ego.
Ego is the death of the ego. Then what remains is the consciousness and the knower of the consciousness.
जाणीव आणि काय ते तारकार होणार एवढं बरी कसं जाणीव आणि काय तारकार होणार आणखी काय होणार ध्यानी जाणल्या म्हणजे औषधी झाला तारकार नाहीच सगुणी नाही निर्गुणी नाही.
In case of Maharaj, he was not the consciousness at all. He was the witness. He used to call that consciousness as the Godhood, Ishvara. Ishvara. He said, Ishvara is my servant. He serves me, he said. Ishvara, because whatever I do, Ishvara, it may be in any form. All his disciples, they are Ishvara's embodiments of Ishvara. All living things are embodiments of Ishvara only, the consciousness. So, consciousness is the Ishvara, God principle, and Maharaj, the witness of that. So he used to say that consciousness serves me. Yes. Ishvara serves me. Yes.
ते कृष्ण माझा आत्मा हे सगळं म्हणतील.
Maharaj used to say something very interesting. He said that you can come across so many people who will say that Lord Krishna is my soul. But how many people will you come across who will say that I am his soul, Lord Krishna's soul? A few. Only a few can say that. There is no command. Only understand yourself and be free. That is the only important thing. And then things happen. There is no doer. When the doer dissolves, what happens is happening only. So there is no question of doing anything.
But it is our ignorance about our self that we think that we are the doers. We don't know what we are exactly. So we think that we are doing the things like that.
निवड करायची कल्पना सोडून दे तर मुक्त होशील.
If you involve yourself with the process of making a choice or selection, you will be caught up. You will be caught up.
So ultimately, it is happening only, and there is no doership. It's like that.
And he used to say, please first realize yourself and do whatever, then do whatever you like.
I remember somebody said to him, there's no bhakti. And Maharaj said, I'm a bhakta. I'm an Atma bhakta. So my question is, since in the West, most people in the West, because of I am bad, they experience the Maharaj's teachings as like God. Like only.
You cannot distinguish like that. Yeah.
So that's my question. So obviously you can realize the absolute through devotion. Or you can realize the absolute through jnana. Yep.
The principle is the same, no? The ways may be different, but principle is the same. You will reach same place by going this marga, jnana marga, and devotion also. So ultimate goal is the same. So I think both the amalgamation of devotion and knowledge, jnana marga.
In case of Maharaj, it is devotion after getting knowledge. See, his guru told him that you must do bhajans 4 times a day. That is bhakti after receiving full knowledge. That is a lesson. He has given this as a lesson to all his followers, that once you have knowledge, don't give up devotion. Let it continue, so that then you could just stabilize in that. To get stability, one has to do that. That is a good practice, that according to them.
And with devotion, it won't be dry thing.
Yeah.
Only knowledge means as if it is a dry thing. So if you add this devotion to it, then there will be love like that. Love is not dry. Devotion means love, I think. That love should be there.
ईश्वराच्या नावाने त्या ध्यानाने ध्यान करताना तू आत्मप्रेमला प्रसन्न होईल. आत्मप्रेम प्रसन्न होण्याचा त्याच्याकडे देवदेवादी करावं लागतं.
In order to propitiate that love for myself,
I enjoy being separate from you. He tells the Absolute that let me be separate and let me enjoy the devotion to you. So that I don't want to merge with you, then I will not enjoy this.